Hello everyone, this is Roshan here. How are you guys? I hope you all are good and in great health. I'm also good. So today I would like to share very important topic with you guys. Valuable thing in your life to make you happy. So it is about gratitude. We ignore this thing, gratitude, in your life, and feel sorry about things. We are stressed, we get tension and ignore about this particular thing. It is called as gratitude. There is nothing harm in gratitude. However, if you follow gratitude, if you do gratitude, if you thank others, it will in turn make you happy. So it is a key for happiness. So be grateful for each and everything. Yes, it is possible to be grateful for everything in life that you have. And see, the result will be you will be very happy. You will feel happy. You will feel glad. So, first of all, when you wake up in the morning, when you get up from your bed, do this practice of gratitude. Alright? Just close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and practice gratitude. First of all, be thankful to God. Say, thank you, God, that today, for this new day, that you are alive. Yes, you are alive. Say thank you for that. You could get up from the bed and you have a entire new day to enjoy, to achieve things in life. Say thank you, God, for this amazing body that you have. Say thank you to the nature which is there around you. Say thank you for the air, for the oxygen you breathe. Be grateful to the trees around you, which gives you fresh oxygen. Be grateful to the materialistic things around you, your home. Be grateful for that. Be grateful for all the accessories that you have in your house, because there are people who do not have those things in their life. Be grateful for the food you eat, the clothes you have with you to wear. Say thank you, God, that you have your physical body fit. Thank you. Say thank you to your legs. With the help of which you can roam around, you can go anywhere from one place to other and enjoy walking enjoy the journey. Be grateful for the hands you have, due to which you are able to do daily activities. Be grateful for the nose you have, for inhaling oxygen. And be grateful for the ears, with the help of which you are able to hear good sounds, good things in this area where you live, good things that you hear. Be grateful to your eyes, due to which you can see this beautiful nature, amazing things in life. Be grateful to the mouth, with the help of which you can communicate the things to others. You can talk beautiful words. Listen to good things. So say thank you to your ears. Be grateful to this planet Earth. Say thank you to this planet Earth, the air, the forest, the river, the water you get at your home. And see, you will feel happy for that. Because this life is very precious. You have got this life, human life. So say thank you God, thank you universe for this birth as a human being. Achieve good things, help others, help other people in your surrounding, follow gratitude, be grateful to each and everything in your life, say thank you, and you will feel more happy. Your day will be more happy. Alright, so this is for today, guys. I will meet you soon with some more valuable things in life to make your life happy and joyful. If you like it, keep watching my videos, coming videos. You subscribe to my channel, you comment, and I will meet you soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye, guys. Universe bless you all. Thank you so much. Thank you.